For several tutorials, we have been learning about third declension nouns, which are quite a bit more complicated than those from the first and second declensions we had seen before. Recall that we explained how these nouns fit into two groups, imparisyllabic and parisyllabic, depending on whether their nominative singular and genitive singular forms have either differing numbers of syllables or the same number of syllables. We have gone over many imparisyllabic nouns already, such as miles, militis, meaning soldier. So now it's time to look at some parisyllabic nouns, also called E-stem nouns, due to the fact that they add an E before certain endings. Some other nouns, the neuter ones, may show the ending E in the ablative singular instead of an E, and ia in the nominative and accusative plural instead of simply a. This can get confusing, so let's go slowly. Once again, parisyllabic nouns are those that have the same number of syllables in the nominative singular and genitive singular forms. Let's look at one example, the word kiwis, kiwis, meaning citizen. You will see that the number of syllables is 2 throughout the entire declension, unlike miles, militis, which adds a syllable starting with a genitive singular. Let's compare the two and highlight the differences. Parisyllabic. Kiwis, kiwis, kiwi, kiwem, kiwe, kiwes, kiwium, kiwibus, kiwes, kiwibus. Imparisyllabic. Miles, militis, militi, militem, milite. Milites, militum, militibus, milites, militibus. While we can immediately see the pattern, it's important to notice that the genitive plural here is kiwium in place of the usual ending, as in militum, which is a normal third declension imparisyllabic noun. In Latin, there are many masculine or feminine words behaving like kiwis, kiwis, and they have the nominative endings is, es, or Let's see a few common ones. Masculine. Piskis, piskis. Ostis, ostis. Collis, collis. Ensis, ensis. Ignis, ignis. Finis, finis. Imber, imbris. Venter, ventris. Feminine. Nubes, nubis. Valles, vallis. Classis, classis. Auris, auris. Clades, cladis. Vulpes, vulpis. Navis, navis. Ovis, ovis. Let's see some of these words in action. Crudelitas ostium magna erat. Ex summo colle, multas oves videbam. In caelo multae nubes sunt. Pauci hostes in eo loco sunt. Mater omnium bonarum artium sapientia est. With some understanding of parisyllabic nouns, let's check comprehension. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Support me on Patreon so I can keep making content. And as always, feel free to email me, ProfessorDaveExplains@gmail.com.